The karma which comes from the past to present is known as the destiny. It is in Sanskrit, it is prarabdha. Prarabdha is that karma from our past. It is coming in the form of destiny, and it has started giving result in this life. Now tell me, what is this destiny? The result of the karma which has given fruit, already started giving fruit, on which you don't have any control. What are those karmas? For example, the family in which we are born. Can you change it? No, I don't want to change. I don't want to tell that he is my father, she is my mother. It is there. You can change your nationality. Nowadays, one American can become Australian, one Australian can become British. They can change the nationality, but can you change the place of your birth? No. Even if, for example, a person born in India becomes an American, but in America, when they will see him, they will say, oh, you are from India, isn't it? Even if you say, no, I am an American. You are an American, but you are from India. It is visible. You are Mr. American born Indian Swami. No, Indian born American Swami. So you might change your nationality, but you can't change which you cannot change. Prarabdha is that which we ordinarily cannot change, we have to pass through. The yogis say a part of prarabdha can be destroyed. A part of prarabdha can be destroyed, not complete. You will say, so long as the body is there, we have to pass through this body, this face, this nose, this. It is there, it is prarabdha. Why your face is like this, your complexion is like this, my complexion, it is prarabdha. Why you are man, why I am woman, it is prarabdha, your own karma. Why God made you so tall and small, it is our own karma, nothing else. So, as this karma, our own desire to be tall or small, has started giving fruit, we cannot change it. In this life, it is up to, so long as the body is there, you have to pass through this body, you can't change it. So some part of prarabdha cannot be changed. Some other parts of prarabdha can be changed. Again, to change prarabdha, one needs strong willpower, sincere prayer, determination to change. It is not just a dream that, oh, I want to change it. To change is simple. A habit is so difficult. What to think of to change one's own destiny? One needs effort, but it is possible.